So hi, this side Mike. So let's talk about risk consulting or risk advisory as a domain in which I am currently working with. So risk consulting involves like finding out the specific risk which prevails in an organization, whether related to operational risk or financial risk or internal control specific risk or effectiveness risk in with which the organization prevails. So before diving into general definition, I would like to take an example in a healthcare industry in which I am currently working with. Let's say the hospital is currently located in Delhi, and that hospital is having 100 beds overall. And after obtaining the employee master from the HR department, I find out that there are 150 nurses which are there in that hospital having 100 beds. And after taking the occupancy report, I find out that 80 beds are there in the hospital. 80 beds are generally occupied on an average per month on a per month basis. So I basically there is a risk prevails, which is financial risk there, and which is also a operational risk, because like after doing my data analytics, I find out that the nurses which are needed in that hospital having 100 beds is only 85 to 90 at maximum, but they have deployed 150 nurses there. So it means they have deployed 60 nurses on extra basis. So here the excess payment is being made to those excess employees which are being hired by the HR. So here the risk is financial risk, and that amount of money could have been saved by the company if they have made a proper financial plan and like proper manpower planning at the beginning of the year, or let's say on every quarterly stage. So that's all about internal audit or risk consulting. Like there's a lot of work, like it also involves SOP designing and implementation, whether the SOP is correct or not, and a lot of other things. But this is a specific example of internal audit. I hope you got it. Thank you.